All right, guys. So we are back again to Ekwulobia flyover. From our last visitation, the beautification of this flyover was still fresh. So today we are back again to see the level of progress made so far. And lo and behold, we can tell you that there's a significant amount of progress that have been made. If you go back and watch our last video, our previous video, maybe 2 months ago, when we visited here and check this new one, you definitely know that a lot of progress have made so far since we last visited this location. So on today's video, I did a full tour, kind of full coverage of the flyover, and I will be explaining some certain things, and you guys will also be seeing a lot of things like the last time we visited, we saw something over here concerning the new installation of this beam that will carry the light for the beautification and the rest. The last beam you are seeing right now kind of obstruct the road a little bit, and which I said I will not comment anything on it until they are done with every work. Then we see how they plan to do the whole thing. And this period, when we visited back, something was actually done there, and we will get to it later. And I will also give my own view concerning the whole thing. So as you can see, the flyover is already the beautification is already at its final stage. So, and the one thing you need to notice here, which you're gonna be seeing very soon in a full mode, is the walkways. I was thinking that the walkways, they will utilize the drainage system for the walkways, like cover the drainage system, then use it for walkways. But no, they didn't. They actually leave the drainage system, and they kind of did the walkway after the drainage system. They created another space, and did their walkways while the drainage system still remain where how it is. But what I'm here to know is if they will still cover the drainage system, because up to now some section of the drainage system is yet to be covered. So what I just showed you previously is the leg of the other beam by the side of the road heading to the one that will be leading us to maybe Ebuka, Isofia and the rest. So you can see how they use protective measures to guide the leg of that particular place. So this road is linking us to going to Isofia, Ebuka and the other axis. And you can see other beautification going on around here. They are cultivating flowers around all those little spaces that you have, that looks like a roundabout and the rest. So they are doing cultivation of flowers around it. So a lot of beautification is going on around the flyover, not just on top of the flyover, around the flyover and elsewhere. So another major upgrade that we saw here when we visited this period, because the last time we came in, I think it was there but not has not received stone base, if I'm not mistaken, is another extra road that was attached somewhere up there before that, around that tower. So we'll get to that place and I will show you guys the road and also talk a little bit things about the road. So this is the road. This particular diversion right now is the road. So what I'm thinking here is maybe somebody who is coming from under the flyover, maybe you don't need to go all the way straight to this to the other side, to the other sharp bending to make, to get entrance into the church or other axis. The person can, come from this under the flyover or from the other side, from Nanka axis, then do his own diversion from there, and head over to wherever he is going within that area. So the road actually will take you inside the Ekwulobia, and then as well can also lead you to the newly constructed Ekwulobia stadium. So if you take that route straight down, I think to some certain point, either going your left or right or something, it will definitely take you to the Ekwulobia stadium. So if you take that route, if you also take this one, the same thing, they are all linked together. So this is another beautification around here. You can see they are also cultivating flowers around this place. So on this video I will also show you the the view of the tower. I'll show you the view of the tower, then bring it a little up and show you the the upper view of it. The tower also is at its final stage, according to something that I saw online. The tower cost I think around 900 million to build. So I'll show you the view of the tower and the progress made so far. So from this our devastation, the tower is at its own final stage. Very soon it will be completed. But all I can see around this place is that they are trying to build everything together, to commission everything at once. For everything to start working at once. They don't want to open up this axis and open up here while here we still remain. So including the shopping mall, I think they are trying to open everything at once, because the shopping mall is also at its final stage. Everything has been stored, almost everything on that shopping mall has been completed, remaining some kind of finishing touching. So this is the road I'm talking about. It will take you back to the main express around that under the flyover, and this is the the grand view of the tower. So let's take it up and see the upper view. So this is what is currently looking from the up. So you can see that the tower is at its final stage also. So everything around here is just like at its final stage, is on the conclusion. Like we are looking at it like in the next couple of months. If it's continued this way, I believe in the next couple of months maybe the whole work will be done, and I'm hoping that by December or before December that everything here will be done and dusted, so that those coming back for Xmas can see the beautiful looks of Ekwulobia right now. So from here we're gonna be climbing the flyover to go and show you the view of the flyover from up, and also show you the view of the ground from up, also show you the view of the shopping mall, the current progress made so far on the shopping mall axis from the up of the flyover. So one thing I would like to suggest, or my own opinion, talk about on this the already asphalted space within this flyover is if it is possible, after the whole beautification and the others, the flyover should be recoated. They should do another coating on this already asphalted space here, to give it a more nice look. Another coating should be done, and if possible, for the fact they have decided to choose painting other than ties, they should also kind of retouch the paintings and the rest, so it will spark very well. So this is the view of the shopping mall from the up. So you can see that almost everything has been completed here. So another new thing we noticed when we visited this location is that this flyover comes with walkway. What you are seeing right now is kind of walkway. So and you don't expect them to leave this up like this, so they need to put a little barricade, a kind of protective measures for those that will be using the walkway where they be laying their hands on. So that is what they are currently building. So they are they are putting those things starting from the other edge down to here. So they are currently at somewhere which we get to in no due time. We get to where they are currently. So this is the view of the installation of pipes that we hold the light for beautification. This is the looks of everything. This is the current look of Ekwulobia. This video was done on I think on Saturday. That is when I filmed this video. So if you go there, this is exactly it, and we find this flyover is a new video. Even if there will be any change, it will not be that bigger one. Just it will be a minor thing, because I believe on Saturday, Sunday they do work on Sundays, so I don't think there's any major thing they will do on Sundays. So this is still the view of the shopping mall from the up. So I should show you the view of the road leading you to Oko axis from the up also. So this is the rail. You can see the rail where they currently are. When I visited on Saturday, the work is still going on. They are still installing the rail. So it is good for those that will be using this walkway. At least when you are walking, using the applying on the walkway, you see where you place your arms on, for a kind of guiding, a kind of protective measure, so people will not fall out from there. So it's very, very necessary. So that is the view of the tower from the flyover, and over here is the view of the road heading to Ebuka Ebuka axis. This is the view of it from on top of the flyover. So as you are watching the video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also turn on the notification button to get notified each time we drop a videos like this. Don't forget to share the video to get to wider audience. And for our old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support us. And for the new subscribers, and for those that have not yet subscribed, please kindly do subscribe. New subscriber, thank you for supporting us. Over here we do cover government projects, but our major goal on this channel is travel vlogs, where we show you different locations in Igbo land and elsewhere. So thank you and welcome to the family. So this is the view of the flyover from the up, and you can see the view of the first a kind of the rod or whatever that will be holding the light. I think it's two, one down there and the other one on the other side. Why at the middle has another different shape in total. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I will also show you what they did because of one of those pipe leg that that was dropped down around the already asphalted road. I will show you what they did there. So this one is the view of the beautification ongoing down below. I will also show you the view from the ground floor once you get there. So let me allow you guys watch the video until we get there, and I will tell you what I saw and what I expected them to do. So yeah, this is it. This particular angle is when you are coming from Nanka axis, so on the other side of it, not the other side. So I've showed you the view of the other side if you are coming from Nanka the beginning of this video, and right now we are on the other side of it, and this is where I wanted to comment on and also show you what they did. So you can see that the drainage system is still where it is, and the walkways was created after the drainage system. You can see where the walkway is. So what you are seeing over there, that little space you are seeing over there, is the walkway, and the drainage systems is yet to be covered entirely. So but some section of it has been covered. So watch closely on this place. I should have slowed it a little bit down for you guys to see clearly, but it's all the same. So if you watch closely here, you can see that a little C curve they did there. They kind of shifted the walkway inside. They shifted it inside, then use something to cover the slabs to cover the drainage system to create more space for motorists around that place that that this particular bin was dropped. So now my major concern is the slabs that they use in covering the drainage system to create that more space. Is this that strong enough to carry those heavy duty vehicles, like all those Dangote trailers with full loaded cement? Are they strong enough to carry them for a long time? That is my question, because what I was kind of expecting was maybe they do gutter diversion, kind of do a little bit gutter diversion there to create that route, then cover the already existing drainage system there, fill it up, then do the normal road tiling there. That's what I was expecting, because it has become like it is what it is there over there. So this is the view of the beautification ongoing around that location. If you go back, you watch it very well. They are doing a lot of beautification around that place, after the walkways. So that's the look of the things over there and what they did there. They diverted the walkways and they covered the drainage system around that place to create that more space. Then using wall to kind of give that beam, that leg of beam, a protective measure or something. So we are currently at the shopping mall. I will show you the grand view of the shopping mall. I've already shown you the view of the the road leading to go from the flyover, and also show you just right now before this one. So this is the view of the shopping mall from the ground. You can see that almost everything is done, and you can see the beautification ongoing in front of it. So they are also cultivating flowers in front of the shopping mall. So almost everything around here is at the a final stage. So very soon everything will be opening up for public use, and you can also see what they did to the second leg. And guys, this is where we're gonna be ending this video. And if I have made it to the last of this video, thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you for always coming back to support this channel. I really appreciate you guys. Love you all. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video. Thanks.